Welcome to the video on advanced flight mechanics and night operations for drones. This overview covers best practices for piloting, tracking, and flying in low-light conditions. Before every flight, check local weather conditions using reliable sources. The NOAA Aviation Weather Center provides critical data such as METARs to ensure safe flying. Maintenance is key to flight safety. Perform a regular check on your propellers, ensuring blade integrity, verifying hardware and pivot points, and keeping surfaces free of debris. Follow strict replacement guidelines for your props. This includes post-impact inspections, replacing them in pairs, securing hardware with thread locker, and servicing them at set intervals. Extend your maintenance routine to the motors. Check for smooth manual rotation, look for shaft play, remove all dirt, and inspect mounts and motor temperatures post-flight. To advance your piloting, focus on this 4-phase routine. Master wind drift compensation, practice vertical gimbal tracking, refine sensor management in close quarters, and train your throttle control. Understanding control stick geometry is vital for precise maneuvers. Use a pinch grip in Cine mode to master complex movements like spirals, parallax orbits, and knife-edge corridors. Set up your training space effectively. Practice using standard 30-meter grids for broad maneuvers and smaller 12-meter grids to sharpen your precision and ground effect skills. Fine-tune your drone sensitivity in the DJI Fly app. Adjusting your gimbal settings, expo curves, and angular velocity caps will significantly improve the smoothness and responsiveness of your flight. Flying at night requires a different approach. Ambient light can assist with orientation, but always prioritize safety and visibility when light levels are low. When operating at night, follow all FAA guidelines. Respect the civil twilight window. Ensure your aircraft is equipped with visible anti-collision lighting, and rely on telemetry to prevent spatial disorientation. Your camera settings should adapt to the lighting. Follow this exposure guide for different conditions, from bright daylight to low-light night filming, to maintain professional results. Push your limits with advanced drills. Practice lazy 8 orbits, high-speed recoveries, manual low-pass flights, and dynamic home point overrides to build professional-grade confidence. For visual examples of these flight mechanics and control geometries, refer to this linked video on mastering control stick combinations. Lastly, refer to this resource on DJI Fly app settings to help you calibrate your expo curves and velocity limits for a smoother cinematic experience. This video reference provides a complete guide on how to use ND filters. It covers essential topics like f/1.7 fixed aperture exposure, the 180-degree shutter speed rule, and fine-tuning your ISO and white balance for low-light conditions. Thank you for watching. To take the next step in your drone operations, consider studying for the FAA Part 107. This knowledge test covers regulations, airspace, weather, and critical safety and judgment skills.